what a day, what a day, what a day, what a day. It's New Year's. First of all, Happy New Year's to everybody, right? I was just sitting in this car driving, and I was telling myself, like, every day I wake up, I'm looking for a different way to make a bag to make passive income, right? And passive income is not about me working for the income. That's called earned income. So me getting up every day, going to my stores, busting my ass, that's earned income. Now, passive income is me then already worked and bust my ass for my stores to work for me and have my workers and everybody working for me, and that's passive income. As long as I'm thinking how to keep the operation going, it's passive income, right? So every day I wake up, I sit up and think, not just only as a boss, because y'all know my motto is boss make bosses. Like, in order for you to be a boss, you gotta make a boss. You gotta put people in position to win. You gotta put people in position to be diplomatic and to make moves for you when you're not there. That's a real boss. Because at the end of the day, you looking for passive income, you gotta train people to work how you expect you want the work to be done. So what I'm saying is, every day I wake up with the motives and a brainstorm of thinking, how can I teach somebody to be like me? Because I want to teach them to be like me, not to be competitive with me, but to be more, if I need you, I know I can call on you, because I can't be in 100 places at once and I need 100 different passive incomes. Hope that didn't go over a lot of people's head, right? So to keep going, before I go on, like I said, I want 100 different incomes, so I need to put 100 different people in positions, 100 different passive income, to put 100 different people in position to win like me, and everybody happy and everybody eat. Real bosses make real bosses. So when you hear me say that, that's what I meant. And that's what I mean by that. So every day I wake up looking for passive income, right? And passive income to me is being like Bill Gates or somebody, where I can sit on my ass and watch money sit on my phone and click. Let me see what this business right here did. Oh my God, it did. No, but that's passive income. Me just passive. I'm not doing nothing. Really, I can't say I'm not doing nothing. It's me making my money work for me instead of me working for money. See, earned income is me working for money. So I'm teaching y'all the difference between earned income and passive income. So earned income is me working for money. Passive income is money working for me, or me putting myself in a position where the money is accumulating and I'm not putting too much hard effort, because I already did the footwork. You kind of get what I'm saying? We all have to learn that in life. Everybody got to play their roles in their position. Like I say, real bosses make real bosses, and real bosses make real decisions and stand on that decision, because they know either if it's right or wrong, they know that's the decision that probably needs to be taken at the time. With that being said, you have to let everybody play the position that they play and move at the way that they move, and don't get in the way as long as the system is running. Everybody can't be a boss, but everybody can learn the traits and learn how to be a boss. It's a difference. Everybody don't got the real qualities of being a boss, but everybody can learn to be a boss. Everybody can manage a McDonald's, right? So not that. So the real game is, like I say, we trying to figure out passive income. So every day I wake up, in my head, I gotta get out this car. In my head, I'm thinking how to make passive income, right? And to make passive income is a form. Look, y'all see where I'm getting out of this store. This is Exotic Spa. So to make passive income, you gotta sit back and think, okay, my next move gotta be my best move. My next move gotta be something where I know for a fact I don't gotta bust my ass to do it, but I can get it done, right? Let's check out Exotic Spa now, so I can get it done. So look, Exotic Spa. So let me show y'all. Y'all see this? This one of my babies right here. See my mama back there. You got GA right there. Y'all can't see it. We're gonna zoom in. That's GA. So y'all come to Exotic Spa. Y'all gonna see Mama and GA.
How you doing?
They mostly run the shops. So that's, once again, like I said, Exotic spot. Y'all get a good look. Y'all might see something y'all like. Y'all might see some heels. Let me do my shameless plug, y'all. Y'all might see some heels. Y'all might see some slides. Look at, oh my God, this some custom made stuff. Y'all might see some outfits. Is this Nipsey Hussle? Oh, that's that Nipsey blue. Y'all see it? But like I said, this is a form of what we call passive income. So in order to get my lips dry, in order to get passive income, you have to build, think, strategize, and say, hey ladies, anybody want to work and become a boss? With that being said, man, listen. Every day I get up, I gotta think, how can I make better? How can I add to my catalog and stuff like that? Now, most people sit up and think that, oh, I want to start a business. I want to do this. I want to do that. But your first steps is when you start the business, you thinking in your head, okay, I'm gonna work this many hours. I'm gonna do. It's not passive income. That's earned income. Now, if you could think of something like a passive income, let's think. Let's sit back and think. If you know something and you want to start a business, it's good to go learn. You know, you're gonna earn income. You gotta bust your ass to get the game and stuff like that to even come in position to make it passive. So with that being said, you have to. I understand that. But what I'm saying is, if you could think about certain things, tell on the door open. If you could think about certain things, like a course, an ebook, something that is gonna generate cash flow while you really not doing too much of nothing, like you put your footwork in, but now it's generating cash flow. That's what passive income is. So that being said, I'm rumbling. I'm at the store. You feel me? I gotta put up these outfits right here. Gotta put up these outfits in the back. You know what I'm saying? Hi ladies, hi everybody, hi everybody. Don't be looking like that. Hold on. I'm gonna put her on. We're gonna. Oh, look, she said she missed me. VIP. You going on my YouTube, right?
I'm dead.
You know that, right? Huh? You know you're going on my YouTube, right?
I'm VIP. I can be on there, motherfucker.
Say it again.
I'm VIP. I can be on there, motherfucker.
She said she VIP in the store. You feel me? So that's what I'm talking about, y'all. So once again, when it comes to passive income, it's all about figuring it out how to make money work for you. That's just simple. Sometimes you can say, all right. Because if you say time, that's earned income. So earned income in the form of saying, like, I made some money. I'm up here busting my ass. I made enough money where now the money I made, I could put it back into the store to make money work for me. That's passive income. So I took earned income and made passive income, right? Passive income is like kind of hard to explain to a lot of people when we break it down in layman terms. That's why in a way, like, I'll be trying my best to explain, but y'all know it'd be hard for me to explain shit. People who know me know I got the biggest tongue twist there. I start getting caught up stuttering and stuff like that. But that's to break it down. Once again, let's say for I want to go over people's head. Earned income is money that you go work for, right? Passive income is money working for you. Are you figuring out how to make money without doing too much of nothing, but sitting on your ass and it's passive? Or like let's say, I'm gonna give you a better example before I tune on. So I bust my ass at this shop, right? Like I say, I'm working the shop, selling these lingeries, these good old outfits, these good old bikinis. You feel me? Look at these. Ooh, the Crip girls gonna love this. Look, the Crippies. The Crip girls gonna love that blue rag outfit. The Blood girls gonna love that. But with that being said, shameless plug again. With that being said, so I bust my ass at this shop selling outfits. You see the girls, they love me and stuff like that. I give them deals. I keep them fit. I keep them dressed. Keep them sharp. I keep them nice. You feel me? I bust my ass here. So the money I'm making, instead of go spending, going pop bottles and show them that dude, go buy cars and stuff like that. Instead of doing that, I go buy an apartment, right? Now I go buy an apartment building. Now that money that I done hustled up and all that stuff, now that apartment building got the potential of what? Bringing me passive income every month. Every month, I'm just collecting from that apartment building that I bought from my earned income. You kind of get what I'm saying? There's levels to this. It might go over some of y'all heads. I hope some people learned something. If y'all learned something, tap in, let me know. Subscribe to my YouTube. Like, comment, tell a friend. Stop being scared. Let's get people to, up on this type of stuff. Peace.